Well, Greg, it's now January the 4th, 2014, and this is a little postscript to our earlier video, and you have managed to get some power hooked up, and you got spark inside the cylinders, just like you said you would. You got anything you want to say?
Well, I'm still learning how.
Okay, Greg, I know you're not satisfied with the spark, but you do have a spark. Tell me what you need to do.
Well, now I'm going to experiment with different gaps for the hammer and the anvil to see what effect that has. I want to play with different voltages and different coils.
Well, while we are talking, how much documentation did you have to work on this engine? Have you got anything other than just trial and error?
I have a sketchy owner's manual that gives you a few hints, but no dimensions, no clearances, tolerances, anything like that.
Okay. This morning you showed me a piece on here that I didn't know what was here, what it was for. Would you mind pointing that out and telling us what it's for?
Well, this ultimately will connect with this trigger assembly so that on demand you can manually adjust the spark timing.
I see. From the steering wheel?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So now I'm going to go back around to the cylinders and hope you can slow it way down and then kind of speed it up.
Well, let's try.
That's really one fat spark in there. Okay, Greg, thank you again.
Thank you, Jim.